Hey there guys, Reviews here, and today we are playing with the Nerf N-Series Sprinter. Oh yeah! So here's what we got from our box. We have some Nerf manual, 16x and 1 darts, a 16 dart clip or magazine. This is our Nerf N-Series Sprinter. So first of all, we really like the colors on this blaster. It is a departure from the usual color of the series, which is orange, white, and blue. So now we have a hint of neon green on this one. Instead of white, they added the somewhat neon green color on this blaster. This is the first motorized blaster on the M-Series line. So this is a semi-automatic clip or mag-fed bullpup flywheel blaster, which is powered by 6 AA batteries, and it comes with a 16 dart mag or clip. So we have the mag or clip release on the back side here. We have our clip or mag well. This is where our magazine comes in. We have an engraving of 16x indicating of our ammo capacity. Nerf branding on the middle. The grip is somewhat caged again, just like in our N-Series pinpoint blaster. We have the rev trigger and our main trigger on top. This is your somewhat grip on the front. It's textured and we have a space here for your thumbs. So this is our barrel. No chance of having any attachments at the moment, like on the Elite blasters. So that's our barrel. On top we have one tactical rail. We have sling points here You can also use this one or this one on the front. On the left side of the blaster, that is our jam door. And this one is where we place the batteries. So this blaster needs 6 AA batteries. So those are the details of our Nerf N-Series Sprinter. We got the batteries in, and already have the weight to it because there are 6 AA batteries inside. Here's our mag well. So this is where our magazine comes in. So just follow the arrow. So that's the orientation it needs to go in our blaster. So this way, like this. And there we go. We are ready to fire our Nerf N-Series Sprinter. But wait, there's a bonus. This is our magazine from our Nerf N-Series pinpoint, which also happens to fit our Nerf N-Series Sprinter. So you can use this as a secondary magazine for the Sprinter. And there we go. Now we can use 2 magazines for our firing test. So for included features and attachments, again, we love magazine-fed blasters on the channel. We have 16 N1 darts, 1 tactical rail, and we have our first semi-automatic blaster for this series on our channel. We are giving the Nerf N-Series Sprinter, in terms of included features and attachments, a score of 5 out of 5. In terms of grip and handling, again, like the N1 series pinpoint, we have a caged grip on this blaster, but surprisingly it is not intervening with my grip of the blaster because maybe of the bullpup design. So my hands are designed to be in line with the grip and the entire body of the blaster, which is why even though the grip is caged, it doesn't really bother me when revving the blaster and firing using our trigger. So because of that, we are giving the Nerf N-Series Sprinter, in terms of grip and handling, a score of 4 out of 5. In terms of ammo capacity, this blaster includes 16x N1 darts, and they gave us a mag, a 16 dart clip or magazine, and as a bonus we can use our clip or magazine from our Nerf pinpoint. So that is really a good bonus for our gameplay. And because of that, we are giving the Nerf N-Series Sprinter, in terms of ammo capacity, a score of 5 out of 5. So there you go guys with our quick unboxing and review of the Nerf N-Series Sprinter. So here are our final scores. And there you go. So based on our scores, this really is a rather powerful semi-automatic blaster from Nerf. And this was really a lot of fun to use on our gameplay for today. Although, as you may know, based on the history of our Nerf blasters, when it's motorized and not spring-loaded, it definitely lacks a bit of punch in terms of FPS or how our foam darts leave our blasters. As you have seen on our Chronograph Test, this only averaged around 60 FPS and nothing more. But it is not to say that this blaster is not fun to play with. As you have seen on our firing test, this really still packs a punch, and we really enjoyed the 16x darts per reload. Of course, we have also added to the mix the clip from our Nerf N-Series pinpoint, which also added to the fun of testing this blaster today. The bullpup design is something to get accustomed with, as it is a bit difficult to get your aim using the blaster because it has to be close to your chest and your sidearm. So this blaster is really good. This is a good purchase for the experience of using it and playing with it. It really is an amazing blaster. I think this is the one to pick out of the N-Series blasters as of filming this video. So there you go guys. Hope you liked our quick unboxing and review of the N-Series Sprinter. We will leave a purchase link on our video description if ever you wanted to purchase one out. If you have inquiries or comments, please put them all down below. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, to get notified once we upload another one of our blaster reviews, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect. Hadouken!
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.